So, how to use Midjourney? First, open the website. I provided the link in the description and then click on the Join the Beta. This will prompt you to join the channel on the Discord. Now, fill the basic info that the server is asking you about. You are almost ready to go now. Navigate to your left and choose one of the newbies channel and double click on any of them to join it. You can click on the top here to see a quick guide about how to create your image. So, to start, write /imagine and then write whatever outcome you want to see. After a moment, it will start generating your image. Once that's done, you can choose between upscaling a certain image or choosing specific version of it so AI can generate more of that images using this specific style. You can of course adjust the image and give it a specific prompts, like in this example where I am using lighting, illumination and camera lenses. As you can see, the outcome is way better than the previous one. You can of course choose a specific image to upscale it and then open it in a browser to get a better view of it or to download it. Congratulations! You know now how to use Midjourney. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section.